Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this video, I'll try to unbox the Realme GT Snapdragon 888 smartphone. Yes friends, finally I did receive the Amazon package. As you can see, this is the exact package, this is how it looks. And let me try to do the unboxing. And I did order the mobile phone for about 34,999 after using the ICICI Bank credit card details. So then you can actually get the 3,000 rupees instant discount. So this is going to be the Snapdragon 888 smartphone. So this is my first smartphone with the Snapdragon 888, which is the Indian variant, which I'm trying to talk about. So previously I did thought of buying a iQOO 7 Legend as well, which is a Snapdragon 888, but later I thought of not buying it. But finally I got the Snapdragon 888 device. So let's see friends how is unboxing experience, and don't forget to comment under my video what are the videos you want me to upload on this Realme GT edition. We do know the Realme GT Mastered Explorer edition is not getting launched in India, unfortunately. So now a lot of people, they may think to buy this Realme GT, I think, if they keep that kind of bank offer still. And is a Realme GT edition, as you can see friends, exactly. And let's take a look at the inside, what is the package looks inside the box. I did order the 8GB RAM variant and the blue color variant, and you can see the specifications, everything listed on the back side. As you can see, Snapdragon 888 and the 65-watt charging. And don't forget to comment friends, and make sure to stay tuned for more videos on this Realme GT phone, which I'll try to upload in the next upcoming days on this device. So this is going to be really very interesting. As I said, even I'm really very curious to see how is the performance of this Snapdragon 888 in the Realme smartphone. And I'll definitely do a lot of benchmark test and a lot of gaming test as well, reviews on this phone. Let me need to cut the seal. Yes, everything is cut. And let's see what is the box inside. And let's open the box, and we got the, I think this should be the case on the top. Yes, is the case which we got. Let me try to show the case, and is a SIM card pin as well, as you can see friends. And is a transparent case which we do have here, as you can see, which is not that strong, but it's something we are getting for free in the box. That's good. And let me try to keep all these cards in the paperwork. And is a phone, Realme GT with the Snapdragon 888 processor, so which is going to be really interesting. As I said, this is my first phone friends with the Snapdragon 888 processor. And let me keep this phone aside and let's check what are the contents. So we do have the normal case. So, and is the 65-watt charger, as you can see friends in the box. I'll definitely do the charging speed test and all the details, so make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. And is a Realme GT friends, which is a blue color variant, which I did order. So let me try to peel off this sticker, plastic, everything from the back side. As you can see friends, this is the 8GB RAM variant with the blue color model, which I did order, as you can see exactly. So phone has got the Snapdragon 888 processor with the UFS storage 3.1 in this device, and the phone display is of 6.43 inches screen size and 120Hz Super AMOLED display, which is also another good thing. You can actually see the yellow color button film on the side as well, and with the weight about 186 grams, which I'll try to do separate videos in depth, so make sure to stay tuned for those videos. And we do have the pre-installed screen protector as well out of the box, so you should not be worried for a couple of days. So until you get the new one, you can actually use the pre-installed screen protector in the Realme GT device. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. I'll try to come back with another video as well on the setup and boot up and everything, all of the pre-install applications, each and every small detail I'll try to cover in this Realme GT device. And thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos friends. Is a Realme X1 Max, so they both look kind of close to each other only friends. I'll try to make another video, so don't worry about that. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. Again, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off, and don't forget to follow the playlist which I'll try to create right now, and which will be really helpful for you to know all the details about the Realme GT device. Stay tuned friends. Bye.